Converting an image to PDF makes it easy to share, open, or download across multiple devices. Today we will show you how you convert an image to PDF as well as make changes to the PDF for free using your mobile phone. Open any web browser on your mobile device by tapping on its icon. Tap on search bar at the top and search for image to PDF. Tap on one of the websites that appear in the search result. Here we will use the first website that appears in the result as an example for the video. However, most of the websites work in a similar way. This website allows you to convert images to PDF for free directly from your mobile device. You can pick an image you want to convert to PDF from your Google Drive or Dropbox by tapping on one of these buttons. If you want to select an image from your mobile device, tap on this button. Tap on this button to take a photo using your mobile device. To select an image that is already on your mobile phone, tap on this option. Here we will use an image from our mobile gallery. Tap on Settings icon. Here you can view the different settings and options related to the image you want to convert. Tap on this option to select the page size for the PDF. It is recommended that you pick the first option here, however, you can pick the option you want to use. If you want to add multiple photos to merge them into a single PDF file, tap on this button and select the others images you want to add. Tap on Convert to PDF button at the bottom after adjusting all the settings. The converting process will start and the amount of time taken to complete the conversion will depend on the number and size of photos you selected. If you don't want to make any changes to the PDF, tap on the Download PDF button. This is how the PDF will look like when you download it. If you want to compress the size of the PDF, tap on this option. Compressing the size of the PDF can be useful if you want to upload the PDF on a platform and there are restrictions on the file size. Tap on Settings option. Select one of the three options and then tap on Compress PDF button. You can add password protection to the PDF file by tapping on this option. Tap on Settings and enter the password you want to use for the PDF. Tap on Protect PDF button. Now when someone tries to open the PDF, they will need to enter the password before they can view the PDF. Lastly, you can add watermarks to the PDF file by tapping on this button. Enter the text you want to use for the watermark by tapping here and typing. Select the position you want for the watermark by tapping on one of the boxes. You can also select a font by tapping on this option. Select the font you want to use. Tap on Add Watermark button at the bottom. This is how the PDF will look like with the watermarks added to it.